Day 4 of our Indian Chieftain transformation, and we hit a massive roadblock. Look at these wrinkles. That heavy fender contour is a nightmare for single-piece installs. The solution? Precision engineering. We're pivoting to a tactical 3-piece install. On a black label commission, we don't make it work. We make it perfect for the long haul. Check that metallic cherry red pop. We're leaving the finishing trim for the final seal to ensure zero lift. Going over original matte paint means zero room for error. Now for the fairing. We're utilizing pro-level inlay and overlay techniques. By managing tension, we ensure this film stays bonded to that matte surface without peeling. Specialized slip, custom tack, and elite craftsmanship. Stay tuned. King of the Baggers is getting a crown. This is Day 4.